Hello kids, let's learn the colors. Orange color, black color, light green color, blue color, sky blue color, orange color,
ABCDE,
green color, and chocolate color. Now let's learn the numbers and the ABCD. 1. Number 1. 2. Number 2. 3. Number 3. 4. Number 4. 5. Number 5. 6. Number 6. 7. Number 7. 8. Number 8. 9. Number 9. 1, 0, 10. Number 10. What we learn? We learn 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Now the alphabet. A. A for aeroplane. A for aeroplane. B. B for ball. B for ball. C. C for cat. C for cat. D. D for dog. D for dog. E. E for elephant. E for elephant. F. F for fish. F for fish. G. G for goat. G for goat. H. H for house. H for house. I for ice cream. I for ice cream. J. J for joker. J for joker. K. K for kite. K for kite. L. L for lion. L for lion. M. M for monkey. M for monkey. N. N for nest. N for nest. O. O for orange. O for orange. P. P for parrot. P for parrot. Q. Q for queen. Q for queen. R. R for rabbit. R for rabbit. S. S for sun. S for sun. T. T for tiger. T for tiger. U. U for umbrella. U for umbrella. V for van, V for van. W for watermelon, W for watermelon. X for Xmas tree, X for Xmas tree. Y for York, Y for York. Z for zebra, Z for zebra. What we learn? We learn A, B, C, D, E, F, G, H, I, J, K, L, M, N, O, P, Q, R, S, T, U, V, W, X, Y, and Z. Thank you for watching my video. If you like it, please subscribe. Bye bye.